Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro on your PC, Mac, or laptop using Adobe's official website. So first, open up your web browser and search for Adobe Premiere Pro. And from the search results, select the official Adobe website. And once the page opens, click the free trial button to continue. Next, choose the plan that best fits your needs. Then enter your email address and complete the required account and payment details. So keep in mind that the paid subscription may begin automatically after the free trial ends. So cancel before the renewal date if you do not want to continue. So once your account is ready, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. After that, open Creative Cloud and sign in use same Adobe account. And finally, go to Apps section, find Premiere Pro and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then open the program and start editing your videos. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you on the next video.